Being a content creator these days is more than just a hobby. It is a legitimate career path. But what if you don't have a huge following? Can you still make money as a content creator if you don't have thousands and thousands of followers? If you're new here, my name's Tanya. I'm a musician, content creator, passive income, and SEO specialist. And today, I'm going to show you how to do just that. And make sure you stick around to the end, because with the right strategies in place, you can make a living doing what you love. But first, coffee. If you're spending time creating great content, there's no reason you shouldn't be getting paid for it. And as a blogger and small YouTuber who's already monetized my channel with fewer than 300 subscribers, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it. One way is to monetize your content directly. First up, we'll talk about ad revenue. Platforms like blogs and YouTube offer ad revenue resources for monetization. The way these works are when people click and read your blog or click and watch your YouTube video, you get paid based off of the ads that they see while doing that. To get started, you need to make sure you meet the platform's requirements. So for blogs, it's usually about 10,000 page views. And for YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and a certain number of watch hours. Now, obviously, as a small YouTuber with less than 500 subscribers at the time of filming this, I do not yet qualify for ad revenue on my YouTube channel, but I have earned it from my blogs. All you have to do is create great content, engage with your audience, and use good SEO practices to make sure you are driving organic traffic to your YouTube videos and your blogs. Next up is affiliate marketing, and this is one of my favorites because it's so hands-off. With affiliate marketing, all you have to do is make sure that you recommend products and services that you already know and love to your audience. You recommend them using your unique affiliate link, and when your audience clicks on those links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. And affiliate marketing is exactly how I've monetized this channel already. Some of the popular programs include Amazon, ShareASale, PepperJam, and pretty much anything you can think of probably has an affiliate commission. All you have to do is reach out to the company. For example, I have an affiliate with Greenstock Planters because I'm a big gardener and I love it. And I earn a commission if you buy a Greenstock planter. Now, if I suddenly linked my Greenstock planter in this video, it would make no sense because it has nothing to do with the content. So you need to make sure the affiliate products you're recommending tie in with the content creation you are looking at right now. Choose those relevant products and tie those links in naturally. That way, your customers won't be confused and they're going to be more likely to buy. It's kind of like their best friend recommending them a great new lip gloss. Now, pro tip, track your performance. See which affiliate links are bringing in the most income and then optimize your strategy to be more like those links to maximize your earnings. Another great way to earn affiliate income is through sponsored content with brands. Sponsored content is where a brand pays you either monetarily or through a gift to do a review of their product. You can find brand sponsorships on platforms like FameBit, or you can reach out directly to the brand, which is what I did with Greenstock. If you're planning on reaching out to brands, create a media kit that shows them exactly why you are a good earning potential for them. Because brands want someone who's going to be able to sell their product. You can find tons of media kit templates on Canva. And finally, remember to disclose any sort of affiliate or sponsorship when you are promoting a product because you're legally required to do so, and not doing so is just a little sketchy anyway. Now let's go beyond the content itself. Think about all the skills that you have developed as a creator. Maybe you're an amazing writer or editor or designer. Offer those skills as a freelancer. Share your knowledge with others through a consulting service, or if you have the experience, offer your skills as a coach or mentor. But it doesn't stop there. All of those are active income streams. And you know that I'm all about passive income over here on this channel. So let's talk about some passive income streams that can help you get monetized as a creator. Digital products are a great place to start. You can create ebooks, master classes, digital courses, exclusive video content. I know personally I have courses, I have memberships, and I have the template shop. And then you can deliver them through sources like Gumroad or Teachable, or you can sell them directly on your website. My personal favorite way to do it. Then turn around and promote these products using your already existing social media channels. You are a content creator after all. All of this will turn around into passive sales. The next thing you need to do is make sure you diversify your income streams, because frankly, you never know what is going to happen. You know, like the entire world shutting down because of a pandemic. That's why I'm so passionate about building out a diverse income portfolio. So some other ways to monetize your content and help you create this diverse income portfolio is to sell merch. You can sell branded apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, stickers, and bonus points if you have a limited run, because that's going to build FOMO, fear of missing out. People are going to jump at the chance because they want to make sure that they get your branded apparel. You can use platforms like Teespring, Bubble, and Printful to create these products and have them delivered to your customers. You can use platforms like Patreon, Ko-Fi, and Buy Me a Coffee to allow your fans to support you. You can offer exclusive content, perks, rewards, or giveaways to build that supportive community. And finally, don't underestimate the value of community. Memberships and subscriptions can provide you with a steady monthly recurring revenue stream. And you can do this through YouTube subscriptions or Twitch or Patreon. Provide your members with extra valuable content. This can be through early access, Q&A calls, exclusive content only for your memberships. And then engage with those members, because they will be some of your best marketers. They will recommend you to others. So as you're working on your community building, don't forget to reply to every single comment that comes in. Interact with your audience, network, and collaborate with other creators so you can grow together. I've said it once and I'll say it again. There is room in this space of the internet for all of us, and each of us have something specific to offer that is unique and different exclusively to us. By doing these things and consistently creating really high quality content, you are certain to grow and continue to build your community and your income streams. As you can see, there are so many different ways to earn money as a small content creator. It definitely takes effort, but with dedication and creativity, you can earn money doing exactly what you love. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What strategies have you tried? What are your goals as a content creator? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about passive income, watch this video. And until next time, peace out. Never mind. Cancel all that.